Hello.
Recording?
Yes.
Hi.
Hi. Bam. Hey. Say hi. I wonder why everyone hates the camera. They usually try to do this and it pisses me off.
My turn.
Is this still recording?
That's badass.
Here's a touchscreen.
Huh? It's a touchscreen?
Yeah.
No way.
It is.
What can I touch?
The screen.
Well, duh.
Well, I guess that's it. I'm bored now. I'm zooming in and out.
You know, I never let anybody do that.
Really?
Yeah. You're like the only one I've ever let videotape me.
That's good. That's good. Okay, bye. Say bye. Hey, Victor. Hey, Victor. Victor.
Hey.
Hey. Hi.
Hey, when Jen comes, get Jen.
Okay, hold on. Hey. Are you camera shy?
Who's that?
It's not a picture, it's recording.
You've been recording all this time?
Huh? No, I have been recording the whole time. I think I want to go back to the library because I promised John I was going to go. Say bye.
Bye.
It's not a picture. It's not even taking a picture. I'm just testing the screen.
Well, that's a touchscreen camera. No, stop. Stop, you guys.
Let me see.
No. I don't
Such
have
a
my face
wimp.
on. I don't have my face on today.
You're not even worthy of being a man. Nice.
Oh, this is
That
wrong.
look, that's such a wrong position. It's like
I'm just jealous.
One time's gonna work.
one, it's not. I'm not even pointing it to you anymore.
I can see it still.
It's not.
Mega.
I turned it off.
Too fast for you.
Well, that's, so what did they do? That's probably static, right?
Yeah, it's just stuff.
It's just stuff.
I got him. I got him. Yeah.
Why do you hate the camera so much? You have something against it?
Yes.
Why?
Cause I don't have makeup on.
Makeup on.
Yeah, I wear makeup right now. She puts it on me every day.
I do. Aren't they good? Look at that. Without it,
No,
ooh.
really, why?
Huh?
No, he doesn't know.
No, it's a joke.
He doesn't wear makeup.
Oh. I was
Go in his ear.
Because some guys wear makeup.
Okay, let's
you know,
stop.
it's
How do you
to
play? How do you
cover-
press stop?
cover
You press this one.
I feel like they could press something. It's all staticky.
4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th.
Why do you hate it? Put your hand down.
Stop. Enough, man. I'm famous. You can take a lot of pictures of me.
Dude, famous people like getting the pictures.
I'm not Britney Spears. That didn't hurt.
the video now?
It didn't hurt, just tickle.
You still haven't been checked? I just have a update. That is introduction.
My name is Shani.
Random person. Hi. Say hi. Are you camera shy?
Hi.
Yay, you're not camera shy. Finally, one person, guys. Except for John. No, I don't. I don't know him.
Did you find it?
No, mommy's
Hey, are you camera shy?
is Ali Foreman.
Hey, are you camera
The
shy?
head is supposed to be on the left side.
You over here.
You sure?
Yes, it's supposed to be on the left side.
And then.
You're a freak.
You're free. This is for Miss Henry.
Yeah. No, this is from Mr. Rubio.
Alright.
But make sure the heading's on the left side.
What do you ignore people for?
I'm supposed to format it.
Isn't that supposed to be on the left side?
No.
Hey.
Alright.
Be on right.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Is it